Guys, this incredible strategy helped me make over $1,000 in 2 minutes. Watch the video carefully. We start. Let's open 5 short downward deals right now and I'll explain the strategy, why exactly here and now have I decided to open these deals. The thing is, I've been trading with one certain strategy for a couple of weeks now. Of course, I haven't told anyone yet, but I guess it's time to share it with y'all. This strategy has been getting me incredible results for these past 2 weeks. It's only based on one simple indicator that each one of you is familiar with. I'm talking about Bollinger Bands. You can add it to any chart in the top left corner right there in the indicators menu. The settings that work best for this strategy are 22 for period and 2 for deviation. Fill these numbers in and click save. Now let me explain why I've decided to open the deal here. Watch this video till the end because you'll be able to apply the strategy in your trading and make your first, or maybe not, money online right afterwards. So our 5 deals have successfully closed in profit. The signal was incredibly reliable, so let's get more into detail and clear up what kind of a signal it was. Let's switch back to M1 time frame and remember some theory real quick. We have the Bollinger Channel. There's a protracted downtrend when the chart constantly updates its minimum so that it's kind of falling, keeping up with its fallen tendency. And the Bollinger Channel falls together with the chart. When Bollinger Channel is slowly widening, its borders start moving opposite ways, and the chart is intending to cross the one of the channel's borders. We can see this line spaced a bit upwards. I'm going to make it a bit bolder, by the way, 2 pixels for the top and the bottom border as well. Click on save. Look, the top and the bottom border are divaricating. Basically, that means the channel is widening and the trading range gets larger. Therefore, we make downward deals thoroughly with the trend. I think I can find another chart for you to comprehend that once again. Let me do it. For instance, this one is a great example. This downtrend isn't that long, but anyway, we have this short-term downward tendency. We can also see how obviously the top and the bottom channel borders are facing completely opposite directions. Thereby, the trading range widening stands for a nice trend. The current trend is downwards, so we're waiting for any entrance point, which might be a previous minimum update. For example, we can draw a support level or resistance level in case of an uptrend. The market updates the minimum, falls below, the trend keeps going. So we keep making deals downwards. I opened 3 deals and left some amount for 6 deals on my account balance just in case, but you can clearly see the situation yourself. Everything works out amazingly just like in the first series of deals, and we are about to get all the profit. Let's wait for the already obvious successful result. 1, 2, 3. All of the 3 deals have closed in profit and we switch back to our original time frame. Everything's simple. The top and the bottom borders of divarication make the channel expand. The downtrend is pretty strong. The price has broken through the bottom level, so we can completely make deals. It's just as simple as that. Let's look for the next trading situation. Here's a pretty long uptrend, so I'm doubtlessly opening upward deals. The market obviously looks like this. Strong upward tendency. The top and bottom channel borders are divaricating, facing completely opposite directions. Therefore, right now we're free to open our deals from this little support level. This might appear like too much, but at the moment it's better to enter with multiple deals rather than a single one, since the level is quite uncertain and the situation seems more like a long-term one rather than aiming for a short-term. We've opened our upward deals and are waiting for the results. I'm sure the trend will go on despite this little retracement. Let's wait. 3 out of our first 4 deals closed in profit. We've already got a decent profit, and look how many copper deals are currently getting processed. They have all been neatly from the level. The trend is continuing, our money are getting earned, things are going amazingly according to plan. Now we're just observing this beautiful outcome result. We've already got $2,000 in our account balance, although we started off with a pretty humble amount. Let's keep going. Here we're opening several upward deals with the trend. I'll go with 4 deals for starters. This situation is just as simple and clear. Here's what the chart's last maximum looked like. A little retracement happened afterwards, so essentially this tiny level appeared. We can mark the level area with a rectangle. The price has come back to this level and resumed its upward motion. Basically, this former resistance level turns into a support level. We can see the channel borders are facing completely different directions. Look how high up the top border has gone, which indicates both the trading range expansion and trend intensification. So we've opened upward deals and can now enjoy the result of our immaculate analysis. Our series of deals amazingly close in profit. I'm sure you enjoy watching these flawless signals in action, so I remind you that you're free to apply this magnificent strategy in practice. The link to the platform will be in the pinned comment right below the video. We're now observing a great situation developing. There was a certain maximum during the beginning of a new uptrend, and the set maximum gets nicely broken through or updated with this beautiful huge green candle. All this indicates the trend's high strength. Today we trade with the trend, so in such situation we may open one or multiple upward deals. Overall, the trading range is expanding as well, which also indicates a great and strong trend, so we doubtlessly open deals with the trend. And wait. So guys, these are the results we've made by trading with this strategy. If you're new to binary options and haven't yet figured out all peculiarities of trading, I strongly recommend you to watch my video tutorial in the top right corner, and it'll help you learn to trade stable and profitably by yourself. As always, you can ask me any questions directly on Telegram by a link in the pinned comment. Good luck, see you soon!